Okay, dessert time. Mango alamang. Belgian waffles. Ayan. Tinatanggalan niya ng balat. Ayun. Ayun siya. So, pinipil niya yung mango. Wow. Pinipil niya yung mango. This green mangoes. Tiny mangoes. So good. Ayan. Alamangga. And then she has corn. All kinds of corn. So festive here, you guys. Trending. Facebook and TikTok. Wow. Look at that, guys. Meron pala sa bowl. Wow. Bayad. Okay. Thank you. Yun. Tapos yun hatiin niya. Ayan. Walang ano yan. Walang buto. May buto yan? May buto? Wala. Supposed to be